Hello, grade 8s. So I want to review our assignment for the oral presentation of your essay. So the first thing you'll do is you'll open up a Google slide from your drive. So you'll go to New and Google Slides. When you get there, please select a theme. So it will show up on the right-hand side. Just select one of them. You're going to insert your title, and below in the subtopic box, you're going to write an essay by, and then your name. Where it says an essay, I'd like you to hyperlink that. So Control K, if you hold that down, then it will let you insert the link. To find the link address for your essay, you're going to go to your essay. If you go to Share, and you can click on Get Shareable Link. Just click Copy Link. You can see it's copied to the clipboard. Say Done. Go back to your slideshow, paste it in, and apply. Now when you click on this, it will bring you to the essay. Okay, the next thing I'd like you to do is add a new slide. So you would go to the new slide right here. Okay, so you can see that it's added another title slide. What I want the layout to be is actually blank. So click on Layout and go to Blank, because each of the following slides is going to be just a picture that represents that paragraph of your essay. So with the constraints of time, I have found an essay that someone else has written that would be appropriate to show you how to do this. So I'm going to go to their essay. It's right here. So I'll look at the introduction here and their thesis. So the first paragraph, I'm going to copy and paste it. You will copy and paste your first paragraph. So go back to your slideshow. You can see at the bottom it says click to add notes. So you can add in the first paragraph of your essay right there. This will be handy when you go to present, because you can view it in a way that you see the picture and the text at the same time. So there it's displayed. Now I have to think about what picture, one picture, not a whole bunch of them or even two, what's one image that would represent this paragraph. And so I went through some pictures and decided on one in particular that I thought best embodied this person's thesis. So I'm going to go to Insert Image. So I would go up here, and you have the option of, I'm just going to move this out of the way. Oops. You have a couple options. You can search using Google. You could upload an image from your Google Drive. Maybe you have an album. Okay. I'm going to upload this from my computer. So okay, so I uploaded this from my desktop computer at home. So here it is. For this essay in particular on happiness, I thought that this image best showed the thesis about happiness as being important, that you are part of a community, but you're also independent. So I thought that would be best. So now I'm going to move on to paragraph 2, which is subtopic number 1. So now I'm going to go back to the essay. I'm going to copy topic 1, and I'm going to go to slide number 3, the next blank one. Make sure it's a blank layout. So you would have used the plus slide. And at this point, it should add in just a blank slide, but you can change it to the layout if you need to. And once again, I'm going to paste into the notes part, paragraph 2. Okay, now it's there. And I need to find an image that will work well for that one. So once again, I'm going to add one. This paragraph is all about the importance of friends and a network to your happiness. So I found a picture of me and some of my friends and thought that this would be a good addition to the essay. So you are more than welcome to use personal pictures. You don't have to just use stock images from the internet. Okay, so there's my second paragraph. Then I'm going to go to my third paragraph and do the same thing. So you can see how this is going, right? Copy, paste it in to the next slide. Okay, and for this one, I thought is about independence and, well, doing things that you really enjoy. So I have a picture of me leading a workshop, so I added that in. Okay, and then I would add another slide, etc. So I would do this until I'm out of paragraphs. When you go to present your presentation or your essay, you're going to have this up on the board. It's really important that you have no text on the slideshow whatsoever. Okay. I think often we get hung up on putting too much text, and then it doesn't support our presentation. People get bogged down by it. So it's better to have a supporting image rather than the points of your essay. So with that being said, you can, once it's all done, then you can view it in a different format. So we can go to print settings and preview, I believe. Okay, so when you go there, you have some options. So we're not actually going to print this off. I'm going to have you use one of the Chromebooks, and you'll look at your essay and on the Chromebook, but you'll see one slide with notes. Okay, so this will give you the picture, but also, so here it's got paragraph 1. Then page 2 has the picture in paragraph 2. Picture 3, paragraph 3, etc. Okay, so this is a really handy way for you to do your presentation. Now you can download this as a PDF. So if you do this, it will save it to your drive. So I just have to say save. And now it's an unchangeable document that I can easily use for my presentation. Now I won't be printing it off. I'll just be looking at it on a screen, but it's a much easier way to present your oral presentation. Okay. Now, it may make it, when you're planning your and inputting your essay into the slideshow, it might make it easier if you do point form as opposed to one big paragraph. That would be absolutely okay. So if you wanted to do that beforehand and just change the way that you're laying it out, so when you go to present, it's easier, that's a good idea. And then you can go to close preview. Okay, and you're back to your slideshow. So there you have it. That's what I'm looking for. You're going to do your presentations next week, Thursday and Friday.